So one type of blur that you can actually go ahead and do to your image is the regular blur tool. So for that, you can simply go around over here onto, let's say for example, the blur section, the brush section right here. Use the blur brush tool to blur it out like this. But if you want a more let's say for example median type of a blur, you can actually go ahead and use the median brush tool right here. So just like with the brush tool, all you need to do is click and drag this out right here. But once you do that, you can see that the edges are more distinct if you were to blur out this way. So you can see that this is the regular blur right here, but if I were to use the median blur, you can see that you get more, like let's say, distinct spots right here. So if I were to go ahead and blur out right here, you get more distinct spots. So you can go ahead and use this right here, just like this, and utilize the median blur. You can go ahead and draw it over for multiple layer right here. Just like with any other brush, you can go ahead and change around the brush size right here as you need right here, just like this. So you can go ahead and draw around. Apart from that, you can change around the flow as you want right here for the brush as well, and work around with more options right here for the brush as well. So that is basically how you can go ahead and work around with the median brush tool inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.